The Phophonyane Falls Ecolodge and Nature Reserve in the northwest of Swaziland. "600 hectares of pristine nature at the foot of the rugged Gobolondo mountain. A paradise for the nature lover and a romantic getaway. Hi Tatus, I'm Christine.
Nice to meet you.
It's wonderful to be here. Everything green, lush, beautiful.
It is, and I hope you will like it.
I'm sure I will.
All right, I will get somebody to help you with your luggages and show you to your room as well.
Perfect, thank you very much. Good morning, I'm Christine.
Sanele.
I have this one suitcase.
Okay.
Is it okay? Yeah. A river and streams are running through the property. There are ponds and waterfalls, huge palm trees and tropical gardens, all enclosed by lush natural forests. The Ecolodge offers thatched cottages, all are well positioned to ensure peace and privacy. The cottages are designed for self-catering and have cozy bedrooms, a spacious living area with fireplace, kitchen and bathroom. Each cottage is individually decorated with traditional furniture, paintings and African artwork. Safari tents on decks are tucked in the dense natural forest above the river. And for honeymooners, luxury beehive huts with spectacular valley views are available. From the veranda in front of the big swimming pool, one can enjoy a wonderful view of the mountains and valleys. A network of trails winds through the subtropical forests, some leading to the Phophonyane Falls. The distinctive à la carte restaurant offers diverse home-cooked meals and an extensive list of quality wines. You will encounter attentive and very friendly staff who personify Swazi warmth and charm. The chef Elliot, for example. After dinner he gladly introduces guests to the traditional Injuba game. Wake up to the sounds of the forests and enjoy a good coffee and a sumptuous breakfast. Thank you.
Enjoy your breakfast.
I will.
Thank you.
Beautiful vervet monkeys might be watching you while you're having breakfast.